Good morning! With this video, I'm gonna take you to swim with the sea lions with me from La Paz in Baja California Sur. Let's go! We'll check out some rock formation first and do some bird watching while the guide will share some important interesting anecdotes about La Paz and its interesting history. We will also stop by the famous Balandra beach and see the iconic mushroom-shaped rock formation. And now here we are to the sea lions colony. Before jumping in the water, we will check out some locations where they're just hanging out, chilling, swimming around the boat. Such funny creatures. And then we finally jump in the freezing water, but trust me, it was all worth it. And here we are at our last stop of the tour. The captain will take you to a beautiful beach on Espiritu Santo Island. He will decide which beach to choose depending on the tide and the winds, but they're all beautiful. You will be served a delicious ceviche for lunch, and you will have some time to bask in the sun if you want to snorkel around. I didn't because the water was so cold. I was just enjoying the beautiful views and the heat from the sun. And after a couple of hours, you will head back to La Paz. And thank you so much for watching my videos. It means the world to me. See you next time. Bye.